welcome to my channel. I have Sketchbox here. Going to open it as quickly as possible because I told my kid to be silent for exactly 15 minutes so I can do this. All right. Box. Stuff. And I see these are blending stumps. I don't know what this is. It's greenish pan pastel. Oh, that's gonna be fun. I've never used pan pastel. Oh, and two Copic markers. One is Copic Sketch, the other one Copic Chow. We have our lovely cat. We have a Copic, oh cat, you are in the way. Copic multi-liner in 0.3. I don't even know what this is. It looks like an eyeliner brush. What is this thing? Oh, it's a marker. And a marker, I guess in gray. Pencil. Very cool. Let's see. Sticker. And Bristol Smooth paper. 270 GSM. A lot of paper. All right. Oops, wrong side. There's all the stuff. A lot of green products today. And the prompt is form. Okay. Pan pastel. I don't think I've ever used a pan pastel. Pretty sure they're fairly expensive. Yeah, this one's $8.29. Looks pretty. Oh, comes with a bunch of techniques and stuff in it. Colors. A little spongy blender thing. It's like a makeup sponge. And an eraser. Okay, so I guess I'll do some swatching of a bunch of green products and then create something that's green. With everything being green or like a shade of green in this box, there's not really much to show for the swatching. Different shades of green. Copic markers blend together very nicely, and I didn't really feel a need to play around too much with it. The pan pastel I've never used before, but it created a nice little wash background, and everything went over it very nicely too. I wasn't sure how to implement the prompt into making a piece, so I just went off the color scheme, which is green, and I'm like, oh, that's like nature. So I decided to make a bridge, and yeah, so I sketched it, and then I outlined it, and then I colored everything with green markers, and that's basically the simple explanation to it, and I hope you enjoy watching the video. Thanks.
To be honest, I don't think about you. To be honest, I got better things to do. To be honest, I don't care that we're over. Been fine since you told me you don't love me anymore. To be honest, I like sleeping alone. Yeah, I'm totally okay on my own. I don't even need your arms around me. I don't need you to tell me it's gonna be be alright, my love. You think I'm lying to myself, but the truth is I don't need you. 'Cause I'm one in a million, and that means I'll find a better you someday. To be honest, I don't miss you. To be honest, I don't think about her. Your new girlfriend, now she's your whole world. I don't mind you posting pictures. I could watch those photos 10 times. I swear I feel nothing at all. You think I'm lying to myself, but the truth is I don't need you. 'Cause I'm one in a million, and that means I'll find a better you someday. To be honest, I don't miss you. To be honest, I don't miss you. To be honest, I don't miss you. But I'm lying to myself, 'cause the truth is I still need you. You're one in a million, that means I'll never find another you can. To be honest, I miss you. 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 To be honest, I miss you.
Here's my finished piece. I decided to make a little nature scene. This pan pastel is pretty incredible. It blended the markers really nice when I put it over top, kind of smoothed it out. I definitely want to get more of these colors. I don't know why they picked this particular color, because it seems to be a little bit of a limited use color. Would have been a little, I would have preferred more of a neutral color, like a brown, or I guess I'm boring. But yeah, I mean, this is a fun box. I think I want to play more. As you can see, I have this here. I think I want to play more with these colors, and I think I want to get, I wish I had like a blue. It's a blue to play with here. But these are fun products. Like, so this is definitely a star. The Copics were great. Like, all three of them. This is not a Copic. This is a Olo. It is new product. Olo marker. Yeah, this is a fun product. I liked it. I like these. This was amazing. This was good. These, I didn't find that much of a use for this, but I know I use them for other things. This was great applicator for the pan pastel. Yeah, and what else about the paper? It did bleed through a little bit with the markers. The pan pastel did not bleed through. But the paper otherwise, really great. Very, very nice, smooth texture. It worked great. I really liked all the products. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please like and subscribe. And let me know if you also got this box or if you used these different products. And have a wonderful day.
To be honest,